Okay, here we have our new HMK Edward Mobius collaboration kit. This thing is really cool. Some of these pieces I may not take out of the bag just because it's going to be a while until I build it. But this looks like a really, really good quality kit. Rudders and the ailerons underneath, everything on this thing look adjustable. There still doesn't seem to be a hideous amount of pieces in this thing. The cockpits are wonderfully detailed. All the bulkheads, everything inside. Panel lines are wonderful, and really they seem pretty accurate. I have seen a few of these, and they seem pretty correct. The engines look really nice. You have the weighted tires. There's the important pieces for this kit. That's the gun nose. Looks like the bulkhead even behind it. Very impressed so far with the detail on this. As I said before, lots and lots of detail. I can't wait to have it this one. Bombs for the bomb bay. They also do give you a bag of resin pieces. So you have your weighted tires or your resin tires. Some other small little pieces in there. And this was kind of a surprise. They give you a molded weight for the nose on this. It's a good thing to have in these planes with the tricycle landing gear. Here we have the instruction sheet, things like a book. And here we have these wonderful decals for on this one. Looks like a really good job on these decals. Not only that, but here you have the masking kit. This will make this a lot easier, especially with all the windows in the B-25. And this is wonderful. This is the cockpit detail kit with all the gauges and the photo etched for on the engines and some other places. But yeah, this is really cool. The instruction book for this is just absolutely wonderful. You have highlighted colors and instructions for things they want your attention for. And once you get to the painting guide, there's all the machine guns for in the front, and the cannons, and the masks that it gives you for the tires and everything. I mean, they give you everything for this kit. And here we go. These are the paint schemes for this kit. Some of these I'm sure we've seen before. There are some pretty famous paint schemes in there. And then the decal guide. This is the first kit like this I've ever gotten. This is wonderful. I will be working on this probably sooner rather than later. So keep an eye on the page, and we'll see what we can do to get her done. Thank you for watching.